Welcome to Fine, Fun, and Fab. So for this episode, we will show you the swatches for Snoe's Melt into Matte. So I am with my left hand, Eizel, and Nina, who's my right hand at Snoe. So let's go!
Melt into Matte is a liquid to matte lip color. This velvety, melty lip wonder transforms into a matte finish in seconds. It feels soft and light on the lips while delivering bold and intense color in high-impact matte finish. It contains avocado oil, which hydrates and softens the lips. It has tomato seed oil, which contains essential fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and keratin to restore youth and moisture on the lips. It has rosehip oil, which increases collagen for firmer skin and lightens discoloration of the lips. Lastly, it has Sim 3D, which plumps up the lips and minimizes lines and wrinkles on lips.
So I invited both of them because Eizel, who is fair, I have medium skin tones, and of course the morena. Okay, let's go try. Aside from using it on your lips, you can also use it then on your cheek because it goes on liquid, so it's really blendable. If you're gonna look closely, it's all liquid and then it becomes a matte finish afterwards. So you don't actually need to put lip balm before you put this on. This is what it looks like on maputi, kayumanggi, and morena skin tones. So now let's go try our favorite sa skin tone namin on the lips.
So this is my favorite, clingy. Kasi I'm so clingy.
So for me, I'm gonna be using green because I'm wearing red. And this is gonna match my dress. Melt into Matte has very intense pigments. You can just swipe it and then it's gonna be full coverage color already. This is green.
So I'm trying aloof. So it's a bit brownish, orangey shade.
So the ultimate test is I'm gonna try to smudge it. See, it won't smudge. Ano, let's go try it some water. Let's see if it's gonna stay, right? So we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna be drinking water and then we're gonna check if it's gonna leave a stain on the glass. It didn't. See? Okay, let's go try makeup remover wipes to take it out. Okay, so
Even with the wipes, it's difficult to remove.
yeah. So how will you remove this then? Paano na?
It's gonna be there forever.
No, okay. I'll give you guys a tip. To remove the melt into matte, you actually need a oil cleanser. So Snoe has this. It's called Make Out. It has to be an oil-based cleanser to remove melt into matte. Yun yung staying power niya talaga. Tira, hindi talaga siya natatanggal. Even yun sa wipes, konti lang. So, di ba? Hindi siya matatanggal. So, may hirapan kami mamaya. So, if you like this video, do not forget to click that subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and let us know what kind of videos you want me to feature. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Say bye! If you'd like to watch more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and the bell to stay updated with Fine, Fun, and Fab. And please leave a comment. Can't wait to converse with you. See you guys in our next episode. Ciao!